Ever since Apple showcased privacy features on iOS 14 in June 2020, Facebook has been up in arms. iOS 14 has a privacy feature that literally forces app developers to ask users before actually tracking them. The feature is set to hit a lot of businesses that rely on advertising revenues like Facebook, Instagram, and many others. David Fisher, Chief Revenue Officer, Facebook, spoke at a virtual conference about how businesses are being threatened by Apple. As per a report by CNBC, Fisher said that the very tools that businesses are relying on right now are being threatened. The changes suggested by Apple, as per Fisher, are pretty sweeping changes and are going to hurt developers and businesses the most. Fisher also took a dig at Apple's business model of selling luxury hardware for those who cannot afford it. That's fine, but I don't think it's appropriate to then dictate that has to be other business models and the ones that we believe is so valuable. One that relies on advertising, in our case personalized ads, to enable free products, enable businesses to launch and grow and thrive. Interestingly, iOS 14 has seen a public rollout last month, but this particular privacy feature has not been released. Prior to the public rollout of iOS 14, Apple confirmed that it has delayed the feature till next year. We want to give developers the time they need to make the necessary changes, and as a result, the requirement to use this tracking permission will go into effect early next year. The Cupertino-based tech giant had said. It remains to be seen whether it is postponement or if Apple gives in to the pressure and shelves the feature. A TOI online report.